Okay, we have our head here, and we've cut the bottom part of this off here, so now we have a good fit with our head, so we can close the back up. We cut this bottom part off of the lower mouth here and sanded it down. So now we have a good fit here. We're going to screw the back of this head on. That way we can put it into our vise here. Remember that we've marked our center here, so I know where to drill my hole for my stick. Now we have an 1.25 inch stick here, so we're going to drill a hole for that. I'm using an 1.25 inch drill bit here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you. We've drilled in about 2.5 inches to get through that. So then we can take our stick and glue it in here. So you see we got our hole drilled through. So we'll take this, we'll glue our stick in, let it set up, then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.